The MP, or multi-purpose tray, is found at the front of the printer. The MP tray allows your printer to use more paper types and more sizes than the cassette tray. For example, cardstocks, or envelopes, or labels. Open the MP tray by pulling down on this latch. Slide the top tray out. Insert the paper print side up along the paper width guides until it stops. You can adjust the paper size by sliding the paper width guides to paper sizes inscribed in the tray. If the paper type is something other than plain paper, you must set the paper type in the menu. This will ensure the highest quality of prints. On the control panel, select System Menu Counter key. From the control panel navigation key, scroll to Common Settings. Press OK. Scroll down to Original Paper Set. Press OK, and then scroll down to MP Tray Set. Press OK. Select MP Tray Size and press OK. The default paper size setting is US letter, indicated by the asterisk to the left of the description. To change the paper size, scroll down to the paper size you wish to use. In our example, we will select Legal. Press OK. The screen should respond with completed. Next, scroll down to MP Paper Type and press OK. Scroll through the selections to find the desired paper type. The default is plain, which is normal copier printer paper. If you're using something else, select it from the list. Paper types are always printed on the paper box or protective paper wrapping. In our example, we will select Rough from the list. Select OK. Press Exit to exit the settings display. The machine will return to a ready state. You have now set paper size and type for the MP tray for the M2635dw printer. Each time you open either tray, the cassette or the MP tray, you will be asked if you wish to change the paper type. This is normal. If you're simply replacing the same paper type, press OK to continue. If you're using a different paper type, press Change and follow the instructions. Failing to select the appropriate paper size or type can result in paper jams. You have now configured your M2635dw printer for paper size and type in both the MP and cassette trays. The next video, M2635dw altitude adjustment, covers how to properly set up your machine in high altitude environments. Otherwise, continue with printer driver installation for Mac computers or printer driver installation for Windows computers.